Wonder why we're standing with a lot of robots at my home, but and here's the white Cosmo. We're still waiting. Well, I don't know what happened to his screen, but we'll find out when we'll be finished. I'm gonna put him back in his charger. We have the black and the white and the blue one. Oh, we got Wally. We got Wally on the Wind Fun robot, and we got Emo. And here's some Boxer. 2 of them. And we got Eilic. Oh. Alright, finally she's happy. Sorry, it's just this is for my robot, the Wind Fun robot controller. We have enough batteries for this. We're not gonna turn him on right now because we're busy. But we got another one, another McDonaldsland. Last time we did the birdie version. Let's see what's the other character. Hope it's not gonna be the same. Let's see if we got something else to show you. We'll get Elinor and Fluttershy at the end, but let's see what's inside. It's nothing else. Good. We got Grimace. Here it is, everybody. Last time we did Birdie, and now we got Grimace. Alright, let's see what we got. We got the Grimace, the McDonaldsland shake sticker. But we're not gonna put somewhere because we're in the... I'm not telling where it is. Alright, we're gonna... This is the traveling McDonaldsland. I don't know if this is real, but... Sorry, Emo. I just need Vector. Hey, Vector. Here we have another sticker. Well, we're not gonna put somewhere. McDonald'sland passport. I don't know if this is real or kind of fake. Here we have going to Grimace Island. And it's kind of nice. And here's Grimace Land. Kind of nice. Let's put it away for now. Get the stickers. Hope you like this. This is Grimace. It's purple just like this robot. Let's turn him on. Uh-oh. It's kind of nice. And turn on the rest of the robots. Oh, Green Ovi's now dead. Green Ovi's now dead. I forgot to replace new batteries for this. Oh, there we go. Alright, now I'm gonna turn on Cosmo before we end the video. It's still loading. By the way, let's just turn on this robot. We're not gonna turn on black in the blue version since I don't have had much time. Now time for the boxer. I finally put batteries for this. Alright, robots, I'm gonna turn you off for now. Alright, they're off. Alright, here it is, everybody. Hope you like this. Let's make it wider. I'm gonna make sure if it's closed properly, it's like this. It's kind of nice. Oh, he's... Oh, let's see. Oh, be careful, Emo and Wally. Wally, come closer to me. Okay, Wally, you gotta stay with us. She's cooking. There you go. Vector. Alright, everybody. The Cosmo app will take forever, but what do you think about this, Zeke? Yeah, I like this. Yeah, this is the McDonaldsland. And what about you, Fluttershy? Nice. And, Elinor? What do you think? Same here. Sorry, this camera is too. I'm using a different tripod right here, as you can see. Alright, everybody. Hope you like it. While we wait for Cosmo, look nice. I'm gonna show you the other ponies. Black Cosmo. Alright. Think about this McDonald's rarity. What do you think, Rainbow Dash? Yeah. And Twilight Sparkle, you're the same, just like your pony skin looks like this. Purple like Grimace. In the back, and this robot. We'll take a picture when we leave. What do you think about this pinkie pie? I'll take a picture while we... And Applejack, what do you think? Nice. And Fluttershy, how about this Pinkie Pie? I mean Twilight Sparkle and Obi. It's nice. Alright, we're gonna turn her on. Hope you like it. Bye.
We are a happy family.
Pinkie Pie. Fluttershy.
No, don't call me Pinkie Pie, and don't call me Fluttershy.